Hello friends, this is Peter is back. He's been on holiday for 4 days and now it's 19th of April. It's a Tuesday and accident was nearly happening here today. To get a good angle here, I was putting this lower down. And suddenly this kind of got stuck here, so I forced it to it, and I thought maybe it is greasing, or I don't know what you needed, but somehow, you know, I thought he got stuck under here, but I didn't see that. Well, I did see it, so I pulled it away, but then this whole thing came falling down on me. But luckily, I was quick. It's just a small base. I got up my hand here and pushed him back, and nothing bad happened. But accidents usually happen, you know, when you don't expect it. Well, anyway, these all are drilled. They fit nearly, not exactly, but good enough. So with a little bit, I did it. Here I'm in the boat again. So, here I am. And here is the screws. And to guide them, the first millimeters, the thread starts low down. That means it can guide them. That comes there. Screwdriver. So here it sits. And then the idea was to have them countersunk. But then I thought, well, I don't know. Well, it's difficult because it's looping to countersunk to the good thing. But then I was sitting here. Where was this? Crest. So this is how we're going to keep it. Maybe if I get angry, I counter something. The other thing, this is for the water bottles. Just tacking it up a little bit here, more comes. And here's the water bottle for the other side. And here's another subdivision I will tack up today. Another subdivision. And then I put this back. And sliding hatch over here. And then I'm gonna make a sliding hatch over here. And well, here's 2 screws. They're not really necessary, 2. 1 is good enough, but just for redundancy. So maybe I just use 1, you know, unless a hurricane comes. And this is for today. I thank Peter and thank you for listening.